In this video, I'll show you how to use Cursor Composer to build features. First, open Cursor and open the project where you want to add a new feature. Next, open Composer and describe the feature you want to build in clear, simple language. Now explain what the feature should do, which users should be able to access it, and any important requirements. After that, include the relevant files or folders in the Composer context, so it understands your existing code. Next, ask Composer to review the codebase and create a plan before making changes. Now, review the plan and make sure the proposed approach fits your project. After that, let Composer generate the code and update the necessary files. Next, review the changes carefully and check the diff before accepting them. Now, run your application and test the new feature from the user's perspective. If something doesn't work correctly, describe the problem to Composer and ask it to make a targeted fix. After that, run your existing tests and add new tests for the feature if needed. Finally, review the complete changes and commit them to your repository once everything works correctly. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use Cursor Composer to build features. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.